In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from Weebly in just 5 minutes. This straightforward process will save you time and hassle by guiding you through each step with clarity and confidence. Whether you're switching platforms or merely adjusting your expenses, we're here to make unsubscribing as seamless as possible. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Weebly website, which you can find at www.weebly.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account to proceed with the unsubscription process. Simply click on the login button located at the top right corner of the web page. After clicking, you'll be directed to the login page. Here you'll notice the option to log in using Square, which now powers Weebly accounts. Go ahead and select Login with Square to access your Weebly dashboard. After successfully logging in, you should land on the Weebly dashboard. This dashboard is essentially your control center, giving you access to all your website building tools and account settings. From here, you'll want to direct your attention to the Overview section. By clicking on Overview, you take the first step toward managing your account effectively. Next, locate and click on the Account Settings option. Account settings typically house all the details and preferences associated with your profile. It's like the command center for managing your overall Weebly experience. Once you've selected account settings, you'll see various options related to your account management. At this point, the process is almost complete. Click on the Manage Account link. You may find this in a submenu or as a prominent button. You'll be directed to a page where you can manage all the key aspects of your account, including your subscription preferences. Within the Manage Account section, find and click on My Services. This is where you will see all the services you are currently subscribed to through Weebly. It's a helpful overview allowing you to confirm everything that's active on your account. Now, you should locate the service or subscription you wish to cancel. Follow the prompts specific to unsubscribing from the service in question. Typically, there will be a cancel or unsubscribe button, sometimes accompanied by questions on why you're choosing to unsubscribe. These steps generally ensure that you intended to perform this action and understand its implications. Once complete, you should receive a confirmation indicating that your service has been successfully cancelled, freeing you from any further charges associated with the service. Remember to check any email confirmation that might be sent to your registered email for your records. And there you have it, a simple and efficient guide to unsubscribing from Weebly. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has provided you with the clarity needed to manage your online subscriptions effortlessly.